Question number 50 says, a new study has highlighted the distressing scope of yet another threat to coral reefs. What is this threat? It's plastics. Researchers analyzed more than 124,000 corals from 159 reefs. Almost everywhere they looked, they saw bits of plastic. We rejected chairs, chip wrappers, Q-tips, garbage bags, water bottles, and old nappies, said a marine disease ecologist in Cornell University. So, the whole paragraph, or this tiny paragraph, is talking about the threat that the researchers observed, which is plastic, okay? The coral reef, of course. And they said they listed a couple of items they found and they said chairs, chip wrappers, Q-tips, garbage bags, and so on. So let's see here. A new study has highlighted. Does the study highlight? Yes, exactly. We can say a new study shows, a new study highlights. It is used correctly. Researchers analyzed more than 124 corals. Yes, the researchers, what do? They analyze to study it and to record, for example, the outcome or the findings after the analysis that they do. So it is used correctly here. Almost everywhere they looked, they saw bits of plastic. We rejected chairs, chip wrappers. How can we reject? He is here listing what he saw. For example, we found chairs, we found chip wrappers, we found Q-tips. But can we say rejected? Rejected means we refused. So can we say we refused chairs? Why would you refuse? This is what you saw. This is what you found. So we can say we found chairs, chip wrappers, Q-tips, garbage bags, and so on. But we cannot really say that we reject in this case. We can say we observed, we can say we noted, we recorded, whatever, but we cannot really say rejected. So in this case, rejected is wrong. We still have one more before we decide. Said a marine disease ecologist. Yes, he is a marine disease ecologist. What's the problem? This is actually his profession. So there's no any problem with disease. It is correct in this case. So the only one that does not work here is rejected. Why? Because we cannot say. Instead of saying this is what we found, we noted, we recorded, we observed, we say rejected, which means refused. Therefore, it does not fit this context. So we got it.